Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk to you about the art form of making money from money. So money loves to work, and it is very possible to make a living off just making money from money. And this is the definition of financial freedom because it means you don't necessarily have to do anything for your money. So how do you make money from money? Well, it's just called investing. And 20 years ago, it was really hard for just anybody to invest because you needed a broker and that cost money and you had minimum investments. But nowadays, there's none of that. You can start with $50, you can start with $100. So if you want to learn more about this kind of stuff, sign up to my newsletter because I talk about it all the time and book a session.